Here we are going to demonstrate about agriculture row system multi-purpose. So the main components of our project are ploughing, seed drop, pesticide spraying and leveling system. So this is an prototype system which will be working with the help of a Bluetooth module. So the major components of our project are Arduino controller, H05 Bluetooth module, L293D motor driver IC, 2-channel relay to on of the motors, charging circuit for the solar panel. So coming to the solar panel, this is going to generate the voltage of 12 volts and give input to the charging circuit, through which it will convert into pure DC and gives input to the uh, battery. So there are two terminals for two different batteries. So here we have used an lead acid battery, two sets of lead acid battery, each one is an 12 volts 1.5 amps, which is used to charge the battery. And with the help of relays we are going to on and off the pump, and there is a regulated power supply section which will be converting 12 volts DC to 5 volts for all the electronic components, and the rest of the set of batteries are used to on and off the pumps. So let us see the demonstration how it works. So with the help of the switch we are going to turn it on. So after turning it on, with the help of an Bluetooth module, you have to pair the app, and then after that you have to go to the app and open this terminal. So this will able to connect the mobile, and then here you can send the character like capital A for capital E for the stop, and capital B back, capital E is for the stop, C for the left, D for the right, and E for the stop. So here you can on the seed drop system, where you can drop the seeds like F for seed drop, seed on. Here you can see the motor is dropping the seed. Okay. Okay, you can control the system ABCD. So G is the character to stop the system, and now to turn on and off the pump you can use the character H to turn on, I to off, so it gets off. So like this the agriculture system is being demonstrated by using solar and Bluetooth control system. Thank you.